Osinbajo appoints 14 resident electoral commissioners for INEC. The appointments by Acting President Yemi Osinbajo comes after the confirmation of the National Assembly. While 13 of the newly appointed are in their first term, one is currently observing his second term. Acting President Yemi Osinbajo has reportedly granted approval for the appointment of 14 new resident electoral commissioners, RECs. The newly appointed would be joining their colleagues at the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. A statement by Bolaji Adebiyi, the Director of Press, Office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, OSGF, said 13 of the new appointees are in their first term. The 14 appointees are to work as RECs for INEC. Hussaini Halawipai of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, was reappointed. The newly appointed are Professor Godilo Biama, Abia; James Lorlamapam, Benue; Dr. Nakukwu Orji, Ebonyi; Dr. Ila Joseph Valentine Chuks, Nugu; Dr. Nentagashil Wudda, Plateau; Mr. Omika Ononamadu Joseph, Imo; Obo Oefanga, Cross River; Professor Francis Chukwuemeka Ezeonu, Anambra; Agbo Kmushi Uolok, Ogun; Alhaji Ahmad Makama, Baki. The statement added, "These appointees have been confirmed by the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and therefore the appointments are with immediate effect." NAGE.com had earlier reported that Acting President Yemi Osinbajo has approved the appointment of 14 chief medical directors and medical directors of different federal teaching hospitals, federal medical centers and specialist hospitals in Nigeria, Premium Times reports. In an approval letter signed by the Deputy Chief of Staff to the Acting President which was addressed to the Minister of Health Isaac Aduwal, the 5 of the appointees will be serving their second and final terms.